Hey y'all, it's Mike with Come and Take It Photography, and come and talk to you today about the Big Bend workshop that I have set up for August 11th through the 15th, 2026. I know this is a short time between now and then, but this is going to be an amazing opportunity to go out and take some amazing Milky Way and astrophotography workshop photos at this workshop. This is a workshop for all photographers, whether you're advanced, whether you're a beginner. This is a suitable workshop for you. And I say that because it is one that we will cover everything from planning all the way to some advanced techniques like light painting and star trails. It's Big Bend is an amazing place to go photograph. I've been there multiple times. One of my favorite places to go shoot nighttime photography because it is so dark out there. It's absolutely fabulous. It's one of the certified international dark skies locations. And so it is amazing out there because of the lack of light pollution. So we are going to be going out there. Again, I said August 11th through the 15th of 2026. The reason I picked those dates, that is the new moon is on August 12th. So we will have almost no moonlight, which is excellent for astrophotography. Also on August 12th, we get the peak of the Perseid Meteor Shower. Amazing meteor shower, anywhere from 50 to 100 meteors per hour visible at the peak there on the night of the 12th into the morning of the 13th. So that'll be one of the nights we'll be strictly focused on capturing those meteors. The great thing also is just because that night is the peak doesn't mean the other nights we won't get some great show from the Perseid Meteor Shower as well. Great workshop, great place to go photograph, as I said. Workshop, trying to keep it affordable as possible. First 4 people that sign up, $9.99. After that will be $1,099, so $100 savings for those first 4 people that sign up. This is a workshop only. Lodging, travel, all that is on you. But there's some great places, and I'll get to that in a moment, of where you can stay in Big Bend. I know it's a long trip for some to get out there, but it is a great place to go. Terlingua is one of my favorite little towns in Texas. Total small town vibes, great right outside the park. So lodging, there's some great places to lodge, both in Terlingua and in Big Bend in August. Just check the website. There are still rooms available at the Chisos Mountain Lodge. That is inside the park, hotel style rooms. Stayed there before. Great rooms. You'll have wildlife walking right up to the hotel, deer, things like that. Outside of the park in Terlingua, there are a lot of amazing Airbnbs. I have stayed at several different ones before. One of the things I recommend, make sure it's not too far out in the middle of nowhere, because getting back out to your cabin in the middle of the night may look completely different. And I've had friends get stuck or take longer to get back to their lodging in the dark because they couldn't find the right turn, and everything starts looking the same after dark. But there's some great lodging out in Big Bend. They've got some of those new geometric domes that have fabulous spaces. There's cabins, there's RVs, there's all sorts of places that you can rent. Check out Airbnb, and I've looked at a bunch of them. When I looked the other day, there were about 100-something different choices for that time frame in August. So again, what are we going to learn on this workshop? Like I said, beginner to advanced, this is a great workshop. We're going to learn how to set up your cameras, how to plane your photos, how to know where the Milky Way is, all the way to doing star trails, doing some light painting, and doing some more advanced techniques of photographing the Milky Way. I will show you everything you need to know. I will give you a gear list that will tell you everything you need to bring. It's a great place to photograph, as I said. The other thing that I want to let everybody know, this is not a workshop where you're going to be hiking 4 miles to get to a location. You're not even going to be hiking half a mile. All the spots that I choose are park, get out of the car, set up. I do this just because, one, at night it's tough to get places sometimes. Hiking in and out of trails at night is not an easy task. And so I try to make this easy for everybody to access. So this is a great opportunity to do that. We will be, like I said, shooting 4 nights. The first night will be basic instruction, getting your camera set up, all that, and then we'll go from there. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below and let me know what your question is, or shoot me an email, info at comeandtakeitphotography.com, and that'll be down below as well in the comments. If you have questions, please let me know. I know this is short time between now and when the workshop is. I know August is a hard time for a lot of people with school starting, things like that happening, into summer travels. I get it. I understand. This is a small workshop. We're going to limit it to 10 people. So it is a very small group. One-on-one instruction is, my goal. I don't like big giant classes that we get so spread out that I'm on one end and somebody's way on the other end, and they may wait 30 or 40 minutes for me to get to them. That's not how I do things. I keep them small so that I can help everybody at once, and help as much as possible when you need that instruction. So if you're interested, again, link in the comments below. Go to comeandtakeitphotography.com/workshops. And that the workshop will be there under the workshop tab on the website. You can ask me questions here on below in the comments, or you can shoot me an email. Any questions you have, please let me know. I also have a whole list of frequently asked questions on the website. But it is going to be a great workshop. I'm super excited. Like I said, dark skies are fabulous out in Big Bend. Almost no light pollution at all. And so it is amazing to see all the night sky. Again, this is Mike with Come and Take It Photography. Thanks.